guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Meek again. Okay, so there's another Louis Vuitton price increase. I was on Foxy LV's page. I was like reading some of her stories. This was a few days ago. She posted that there is due to be a price increase. I think it's like basically already happened for the key pulls, some of the Nano items, and the hard-sided luggages. Now this is really interesting because in my previous Louis Vuitton price increase video, the most recent one, I did say it was really interesting how they didn't increase the price of the ready-to-wear and the fashion jewelry. So the fashion jewelry is the same, like the Louis earrings, these ones right here, which are some of my favorite like fashion pieces from LV. These are the same. I think in euros they're 490 euros and in US dollars it's $715. So it's the same price that it's been for some time. But it's interesting now that they would opt to increase the price of the hard-sided luggages, which are a massive like priority for them, and the key pulls, which I mean the key pulls, I feel like they're just such a classic part of the brand. And even though they are bags, they do have this like luggage vibe to them. They're kind of like a bag luggage hybrid, which I think is really interesting. So I'm very curious to know what you guys think of this new price increase to include the luggages, hard-sided luggages, the key pulls, and some of those nano items. Like, how do you guys feel about it? Do you care? Do you not care? I would have to say there was one bag I forgot to mention in the price increase video that I wanted to discuss today, which was the Coussin PM, and I think, well, hold on, wait, not the Coussin PM or the MM, one of the two. And that one in euros before the increase was 2,900 and now it's 3,200 euros. I was quite surprised by the euro price increase for this piece because I was like, wow, it's quite pricey. I mean, for some context, the Game On dress from the Game On collection, I think that's like 1,950 euros, but the Coussin is actually like now it's like 3,200 euros. So it's like super pricey. It's very expensive. I think for what you're getting, it's extremely expensive. So you know, you could probably end up just like buying ready to wear at Louis Vuitton and you have some original LV ready to wear pieces instead of buying it. That said, she did also post some exotic Coussin options I think are coming. Very beautiful. I'm liking the bag more and more now. I feel like it looks like a really nice kind of casual day-to-day kind of bag. It also has this kind of athleisure feel to it. Does anyone else feel that? And the sort of edginess due to the chain metal bag, I mean the chain metal link, I don't know, I feel like that kind of gives us this edginess. I know lots of people say it's like because of the toiletry pouches and they decided to make this. I mean, I don't know, I feel like no disrespect if you have like transformed your toiletry pouch, like some of those transformations to me looked like not too good. Okay, no disrespect to anyone who's done that, it's just not to my personal taste. I'd rather Louis Vuitton make an item themselves that's an original piece that I can go and purchase, because I feel like a customized piece to me is just not my thing. And I know people like to customize their bags and stuff, but it's just not my personal thing. Anyway, the Coussin is a cute bag. It's a very cute bag. It is not on my grail list. It's not on my wish list. I'm gonna stick to the bags that I'm chasing after, the on the go, the Dauphine. I feel like the Coussin is just really cute. Although I have heard people say that when you see the bag in the flesh, it completely changes your mind, and it's so beautiful, it's so luxurious, and it's a great option like once you see it in the flesh. Okay, you guys, so I need you to help me with something. So when it pertains to Louis Vuitton fashion jewelry, I'm looking at the Louis earrings, which I really like. Now, I probably am going to end up getting those. However, and I think those are actually a wish list item as well. They're on my wish list. However, I did see this right here. This is the single earring from Louis Vuitton. It's from this collection called My LV Affair. Now, the pictures on the website are not great. So I started searching on Google Images to find like other photos that I thought maybe looked nice and stuff. And the V is actually a heart, which is so cute. Oh my gosh, like I'm so obsessed with these like little cute heart things. So it's a single earring, and from what I understand, it will sit here and go up. So it's like Louis Vuitton like that. And then as I said, the V is a heart. But it's a single earring. I think it's like 210 euros on the EU site. For some reason, the single earring is not available in the US. I checked the US site and I did not see it there. I love this, and it's funny because yes, when I did that Fendi video, I had a discussion with some of you guys in the comments about single earrings. I was like, whoa, I don't know about this, like why aren't they, you know, offering like 2 earrings for the O lock, which is this earring right here. So I was like, why wouldn't they offer like, you know, 2? But I kind of get it now after kind of playing around with my own hoops, my own like stud earrings as well. I actually feel like single earrings are really nice. I feel like they look quite cool. And I am a huge fan of trying out trends affordably first, like with fast fashion options first. Like that's definitely something I'm a supporter of before you buy the designer ones. So now that I like the trend, because now I like it, I would like to get like a designer like fashion single earring. So it's between the Louis Vuitton my LV Affair earring and the Fendi O-Lock single earring. Now there are 2 options for the Fendi O-Lock. There's this massive one that it looks massive, like it looks like it would be at least there, which I think maybe is a bit much. And then there's a smaller one. I think I'm going to get the smaller one. In the UK, the small one is £175. And as I said, my LV Love Affair is €210. So what I want you guys to do, which one do you think I should get? I can get one, okay? Well, really, I could probably get both of them, to be honest, because I do like them both. But I want to know which one you guys like. I feel like the Louis Vuitton one is so cute, and I feel like it's super discreet. I know many of you don't like logos. I love logos, by the way. Clearly I love logos, or if I didn't, I wouldn't be interested in both of these single earrings. But I feel like it's super discreet. I feel like only someone who knows Louis Vuitton would know it, because you'd have to like know it. And I feel like even if someone was really close up to me, even to read the whole thing saying Louis Vuitton there is actually quite hard. That's just the feeling that I get from it. And I feel like the O-Lock is super cute because it doesn't have the classic Fendi F. Like it does, there's like an F kind of, if you look, but it does really look like a lock, and I do think that's kind of cool. So, and obviously I probably wouldn't be wearing both of them at the same time, although I don't feel like they would look that bad wearing both at the same time, but it would be like the single earring plus a stud, or the single earring plus like a costume jewelry stud earring or something, if you know what I'm saying. So I'd love to know what you guys think of these single earrings. And yes, I've seen the fine jewelry single earring options. No thank you. I'd rather buy 2 earrings for fine jewelry prices. I'm not going to buy a single earring that's like made out of gold and diamonds when you can go and take that money and get like 2 earrings for fine jewelry prices. But I think for fashion jewelry, you can definitely give it a crack and try it out. Which one should I get? Tell me in the comments. I would love to know which one you guys are into, which one you think. I find it hard because I like both of them. I think both are really fun. I feel like the Louis Vuitton one is just more logo mania than the Fendi O-Lock, but I feel like the O-Lock has this really cool like geometric vibe to it. I don't know, they're both great. I might end up getting both of them, but I'm very curious to know which ones that you like. So this is what you're gonna do. Go and do my poll, okay, which I've linked below. Go do my poll and tell me which one you want, that you think I should get, which one you like. If you don't, even if you don't like single earrings, just choose the one that you think would suit me the most. Like, which one do you think would suit me? Don't forget the Louis Vuitton one would sit 100% on my ear, whereas the Fendi O-Lock would kind of dangle a little bit. But I only want to get the small one. I've seen the large one. The large one looks massive. I'm wearing hoop earrings here, and these are not even massive. These are, I would say, like medium hoop earrings. You know, they're like those hoop earrings that like this. And the O-Lock looks like it hits here on your chin, the large one on my chin right here, whereas I feel like the small one just looks a little bit daintier, looks a little bit cuter. I'd be very curious to know which one you think. Just before I go, because this is a short and sweet video, I found something really interesting on the Louis Vuitton United Arab Emirates website. So for those of you in the Middle East, if you're in the UAE, please listen carefully. So when I was researching one of my LV videos last week, I stumbled across the UAE website. I was reading it, okay? Then they actually had the Game On Cruise heart bag that was still listed on the website. It still had a code, like a product code, an item code, so you can find it. And guess what? It still had a price on it, and it said 8,000 dirhams. I don't know as of this video if it's still on there, but as of last week when I looked, it was still on there. Most of you are familiar. This was the Cruise Game On heart bag that came out last year. This was so hard to get. Everyone was like, you know, clamoring for this bag. This was definitely one of Louis Vuitton's unicorns. So Gasquet reworked this bag, and he, you know, added his Game On motif, because I think most of you know, but if you don't know, Nicolas Gasquet, the creative director of women's wear, he is actually the one who created the Game On collection. Like, that's his original creation. So it seems like it's something that he's continuing to update every year. And it seems that the Game On collection, as you know, I have the notebook from that collection, as it seems like it's just now part of the permanent line, and it pops up in different parts of the year in different collections. So this bag was called the Game On Kerr bag, and it was in Cruise 2021. This was such a hot piece. I'm sure you've seen unboxings on YouTube, on Instagram. This bag at resale, I have seen prices like $6,000, like the resale price, which is crazy for this bag. It's completely barking mad. It was on the UAE site and it said 8,000 dirhams. It had the product code. Okay, I swear, hand on my heart, I swear. This is what I saw, and it said 8,000 dirhams, and it had the product code. If it's still there, I will link it below. It says item unavailable, like call us, something like that. You know how they write on LV site, they have different things like call them for info, find out what's popping. I'm thinking it's possible that LV haven't updated the site, but the bag is sold out in the Middle East. But what I am thinking is maybe they have one or two that are just, left, and people have forgotten about the bag. And maybe people think the bag is sold out, so have forgotten about it. Because if not that, why is it still on the website? We know how LV operates. We know how she is, honey. Okay, she keeps things on the website when they're there. If it's not there, they would have taken it down. I don't know if they've taken it down yet, but I do know last week I saw it. So if you're still interested in that bag, go take the item code, call your SAs in Louis Vuitton, United Arab Emirates, and see where the bag is, whether it's still there, because the resale price of the bag is completely insane. You guys, if you like what I'm doing, make sure you're fully subscribed to my channel, hit notifications, like this video. Do you like these shorter formatted videos? Do you like them? Yes or no? You'll tell me what you think. Make sure you do my poll and tell me which single earring to buy. I feel like I was just so hot. Like yesterday I was filming videos and I was like, oh my god, I'd look cute if I had the Louis Vuitton single earring right now. And then later on I was like, oh my gosh, no, I should get the Fendi one. I really don't know. So make sure you do my poll. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.